Hello students, welcome back to Let Us Master English. Students, in my previous 7 videos on reported speech, I have taught you how to convert sentences from direct to indirect speech when the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, that is rule 1. In rule 2, we have learned to change assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory, and sentences beginning with let from direct to indirect speech. And students, in this video, you are going to learn how to report dialogues. And as usual, there is going to be a homework for you right at the end of the video. And you can also find answers to the practice exercise of lecture 7. Let's get started. Now students, in your exam, sometimes you have to report the dialogues. Your question appears like this. Read the dialogue and write it in reported speech by filling in appropriate words. Now here is dialogue between father and son. Father, colon. Where are you going, comma, my son, question mark. Now students, see here. Now we have written this colon over here and before that father. It means this line is spoken by father. These are the actual words of the speaker. When we were converting the sentences, we used to write it like this. Father said to his son, comma, inverted comma start, where are you going? Question mark, inverted commas closed. So, keeping this sentence in mind, you have to change this. Now, let's read the next dialogue. Pranav, colon, I am going to my friend's house, full stop. Father, colon, when will you do your homework? Question mark. Pranav, colon, I shall do it tomorrow. Now students, dialogue between father and Pranav is given, and after that you will be given one paragraph in which some blanks are there which you have to fill in by using the rules of reported speech. Now let us check this, how to solve it. Father asked his son a dash. Now this reporting verb is already solved for you. Father asked his son. Now we have to convert this actual words of father. Where are you going? Question mark. So when it is a WH question, we do not use any conjunction. So what will be our answer? Where are you will change into he was going. After that full stop. And how are you going to write it in your exam? See, I have written the answers here at the bottom of the slide. You will write A and only the words which are required to be filled in the blank are to be answered. Where he was going. Now Pranav replied that B again dash to his friend's house. Now Pranav is saying I am going to my friend's house. So Pranav replied that I am going will change into he was going. And after that to his friend's house is already written here. So we need not write this portion. So in B what you will fill? He was going. Next, father further asked. Now what did father ask again? When will you do your homework? Dash and in the end homework is written. So what are we going to fill here? When, of course W should be small. In when, now you will change into he and will change into would and this position of subject and helping verb will change. When he would do his Now homework is already written here, so we need not repeat that word again. Next, Pranav answered D dash. Now what did Pranav answer? I shall do it tomorrow. So how will we change this? That he would do it the next day. I changes into he, shall changes into would, do it the next day. And before that, conjunction that is to be used here. In B, we did not use that because that is already written. So very minutely you have to observe what words are to be written and what is to be omitted. So this way, students, we solve the dialogues. The rules are totally same. Change in tenses, change in pronouns, change in words showing nearness into words showing distance. Only this format is different. Now let's move on to the next slide. Now students, here one dialogue is there for you. So this you are going to solve on your own. And answers of this exercise would be available in my next video. Now students, here is one more exercise for you. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. Now we have already done different types of sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, sentences beginning with let, exclamatory. So here all type of sentences are there, and applying the rules which you have learnt in my previous 7 videos, please solve this exercise, and answers of this exercise will be uploaded in my upcoming video. Now students, here you can find answers to lecture 7. Change the following sentences into indirect speech. So in video number 7, lecture 7, we studied how to convert sentences beginning with let from direct to indirect speech. I hope you would have solved this exercise. Please bring your notebooks. Let's check the answers. Number 1, he said to the peon, comma, inverted comma, start, let the visitor come in, full stop, inverted commas, close. Now what is its answer? So now this sentence with let expresses permission. So said to will change into ordered. He ordered the peon. After that we remove comma and inverted commas and will insert to here to let the visitor come in. Number 2, I said to her, comma, inverted comma, start, let us sit in the shade, full stop, inverted commas, close. So the answer is, I proposed to her that we should sit in the shade. So this sentence expresses proposal. Number 3, she said to me, comma, inverted comma, start, let us try once again, full stop, inverted commas, close. So the answer is, she suggested to me that we should try once again. Number 4, the hare said to the tortoise, comma, inverted comma, start, let us run a race, full stop, inverted commas, close. The answer is, the hare proposed to the tortoise that they should run a race. Number 5, the officer said to the peon, comma, inverted comma, start, let the visitor come into my office, full stop, inverted commas, close. Answer, the officer ordered the peon to let the visitor come into his office. Number 6, he said, comma, inverted comma, start, let us take him to the doctor, full stop, inverted commas closed. Answer is, he suggested that they should take him to the doctor. Number 7. The boy said to the father, comma, inverted comma start, let me play now. Full stop, inverted commas closed. Answer, the boy requested the father to let him play then. She said to her sister, comma, inverted comma start, let him complete his study first. Full stop, inverted commas closed. She requested her sister to let him complete his study first. Number 9. She said to me, comma, inverted comma start, let me buy some clothes. Full stop, inverted commas closed. Answer is, she requested me to let her buy some clothes. Full stop. Number 10. I said to my friend, comma, inverted comma start, let us go for a picnic today. Full stop, inverted commas closed. So the answer is, I proposed to my friend that we should go for a picnic that day. Students, thank you so much for watching this video, and for more such videos, kindly subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have liked this video, please press the thumbs up button. Thank you so much.